Considering a grading beam, but unsure whether a roller or no roller is best for you? Continue watching this video so we can go over the pros and cons of both, from compaction to maintenance. The first difference between a grading beam with a roller or without is the weight. The main frame of both of these attachments are very similar, featuring similar steel cross sections and guiding fins. But the main difference between the weight of these two attachments is obviously the roller. Without the roller, the attachment is lighter, offering you greater variety with machines that can fit the attachment, such as a micro excavator. The absence of a roller allows the attachment to be more compact, meaning that this can be used in tighter spaces on site. The roller is an additional component usually used for more heavy-duty compaction jobs, which adds an additional amount of weight, usually 80 to 100 kg. The second difference between the roller and no roller grading beams is the compaction ability. Like I just mentioned, for jobs that require that extra layer of compaction, such as driveways or pathways, the roller is helpful for during or after the initial grade. With this in mind, a grading beam without a roller will create slightly less compaction. However, you can increase the compaction of the material by applying a downward pressure when grading. So although a grading beam with a roller does naturally apply a bit more compaction to the material, this isn't very significant because the grading beam without a roller can create a similar amount of compaction when applying a downward pressure while grading. Another key difference between these two types of grading beam is the maintenance that is needed. The addition of a roller adds more complexity to the attachment. This roller will require maintenance to ensure it is rotating smoothly to be able to work properly on your jobs. However, the grading beam without this roller doesn't have that extra maintenance. With no moving parts and a simpler design, the grading beam without a roller will result in less wear and tear, resulting in lower maintenance over time. This leads to cost savings on repairs and less downtime. So the all-important question is, what's the difference in price? Grading beams with inbuilt rollers are usually more expensive due to the added complexity of the roller and more materials being used in the construction process. A grading beam without a roller is generally more affordable because of the simpler design and less complex components used in the making of the attachment. In general, a grading beam without a roller will be about half the price of a grading beam with a roller. Which one is best for you? Choose a grading beam with a roller if you have a slightly bigger budget and also want to do grading and compaction in the same pass over the area that you're grading. Choose a grading beam without a roller if cost savings, easy maneuverability and minimal downtime are essential. Want to know more about Rhinox's range of grading beams? Check out the video here, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe so we can hear your thoughts and you don't miss out on another video. Complex opponents.